29th of May 2019 will see the inaugural attempt of the Everest Ski Challenge. The Everest Ski Challenge is a grueling ski endurance event, requiring both great technical skiing skills and incredible stamina. This involves getting pulled by button lift from sea level to the very peak of Mount Everest, and then skiing all the way down the other side. A total of 33 kilometers in one day. To the best of our knowledge, this has never been attempted before. Since we couldn't raise the budget to actually install a button lift on Everest, we decided to attempt this monumental challenge at the Snozone indoor ski slope in Milton Keynes. This means we will be skiing 96 laps. That's 96 drags up the button lift and 96 runs down the main slope, all in a single day. To add even more to our assault on the king of mountains, many of our competitors will be under 18. In fact, the project co-organizer and first participant is Bethany Adams, raising money for the lead charity Congenital Diaphragmatic Hernia, or CDH UK, a support organisation for the CDH condition Bethany was born with. CDH affects 1 in 2,500 births and has around a 50% survival rate. After 7 weeks in intensive care and surgery, Bethany left hospital with 1 lung and a tremendous determination to overcome. 3 years later, she learnt to ski, and 3 years after that, she joined the Ski MK race team and has had the idea of the Everest Ski Challenge to raise money to support other families going through the same thing. At the same time, her 5-year-old sister Charlotte will be doing the same challenge, aiming for the slightly smaller Kilimanjaro. We'd also like to mention that this awesome event would not be possible without the help of our very generous sponsors. More information for interested participants, media, or sponsors is available from the organisers by email at everestskichallenge@gmail.com or search for Everest Ski Challenge on Facebook.